Hi there and good day. I'm Spencer Brown from Brown's International Yachts. Today we're in captivating Croatia, where I'm going to give you my personal insight into one of our premium listings, the outstanding Sunseeker 88 yacht, MOWANA. Firstly, crafting a sleek, high-performing flybridge yacht without compromising on space and volume is no easy feat. However, Sunseeker's excellent designers have achieved it with striking precision and elegance. This fantastic example, built in 2023, but with a 2024 specification and delivery, is an eye-catching addition, equipped with every optional extra, including zero-speed stabilisation, upgraded air conditioning, Sonos music system, high-grade Simrad navigation equipment, hydraulic rise and fall bathing platform, a crane, and multiple water toys. She has so much to offer for the new owner. MOWANA is the embodiment of a luxury dream home at sea, with Sunseeker's craftsmanship evident in every surface, finish and detail. Her presentation is fantastic, thanks to the exceptional care from her dedicated and experienced owner and awesome crew. Built to entertain, she has fun at the heart of her design, with plenty of socialising and dining areas on multiple levels. I think one of the major features of the 88 yacht, the Sunseeker Extend, virtually doubles the size of the cockpit. And in the down position, it gives you an amazing sun pad looking over the water. You can drop the platform so you're actually over the water. It gives you a lovely, lovely relaxed feeling. Additionally, she has 4 spacious ensuite cabins, sleeping up to 9 guests, making her the ideal yacht to spend time away with friends and family, yet still giving guests the ability to enjoy their privacy when needed. Her full beam master cabin is also a dream owner's suite with extensive windows, elegant detailing and a walk-in wardrobe area. MOWANA exemplifies adventurism with a long range of 1,400 miles at 10 knots from her 11,000 litre fuel tanks. But she doesn't just have the range, she also has the comfort, with stabilisers keeping roll at bay. What sets MOWANA apart is that not only is she available now, fully equipped, turnkey and ready to enjoy, but she also holds a proven track record as a successful charter yacht. As the next owner, you have the flexibility to keep her exclusively for yourself or to continue her charter legacy. Benefiting from her strong reputation as one of the most sought after sub-30 metre yachts in the region. Whichever way you choose, Brown's International are more than happy to help you along your journey. MOWANA is a yacht that brings people together, built to impress, but even more so to enjoy. She's a beautiful choice for those seeking a yacht to share, celebrate and create lasting memories with loved ones. She is a fantastic option in today's busy marketplace. So to summarise, MOWANA is a truly special yacht, perfect for a buyer looking to elevate their lifestyle with quality and style. Ready to enjoy right now, MOWANA represents a rare turnkey opportunity, a dream yacht waiting for the right owner. Brown's International Yachts are proud and privileged to offer this yacht for sale. If you require any further information or would like to arrange a personal viewing, please do not hesitate to contact us. This is an opportunity not to be missed.